Why do baristas retire as millionaires while doctors stay broke? It has nothing to do with their salary. It's one habit, and it's stupidly simple. Let me guess your monthly routine. Paycheck arrives, rent takes its cut, bills follow, subscriptions you barely use, that impulse purchase at midnight when you couldn't sleep. By month's end, nothing's left. You tell yourself, next month I'll start investing, but next month never comes. Rich people have a dirty little secret. They pay themselves first, before rent, before bills, before everything. And they don't just save it, they put it to work. Here's their actual 3-step cheat code. Step 1. Kidnap 10% of your paycheck. Start with 10% of every paycheck, non-negotiable. If you earned $3,000, that's $300. It disappears before you see it. Step 2. Put it to work immediately. Set up automatic transfers into index funds or ETFs. Your money needs a job, and its job is making more money while you sleep. Set it, forget it. No willpower required. No decisions to make. It just happens. You can't spend what never reaches your checking account. Step 3. Let compound growth do the work. This isn't money sitting idle. This is money generating more money. This is money having babies, that have babies, that have babies. Your investments work around the clock. Weekends, holidays, while you sleep. Time becomes your greatest advantage. Ready for the math that'll make you mad you didn't start yesterday? $300 a month in your savings account for 20 years? Congrats, you have $72,000. That same $300 invested with average 10% returns? $227,000. Same discipline, same monthly amount, 3 times the wealth. That's the difference between I'm comfortable and I'm retiring early to a beach. Year 1, you barely notice the $300. By year 5, your investments reach $23,000. Year 10, $61,000. Year 20, over $227,000. You didn't work harder. You didn't get lucky. You just automated it and ignored it. Here's what most people miss about saving versus investing. Saving protects your money. Investing grows it. Inflation is a silent thief. It steals 3% of your money every single year. $100 saved today buys $74 worth of goods in 10 years. Your savings account is basically a melting ice cube. But investments outpace inflation. They compound. They multiply. Saving is defense. Investing is offense. And you can't win just playing defense. So here's your homework that'll make you rich. Open a brokerage account. Set up automatic investing. Even if it's $50 per week, the amount matters less than the automation. Pay yourself first. Invest it. Let it breed. If you want more strategies to build real financial freedom, subscribe to Finstra. Your future self will thank you for starting today.